Modi has actually shown the world that how he could play the dirty politics, what he has perhaps not learned from the rest of the global leaders, what he wants to show, he is having a political power. What kind of political power do Mr. Modi has? Does he has the power of some petty, RSS people, or some people, BJP goons who have shown the country that no, this country will be run by the illiteracy, by the ethics of undemocratic politics, by the ethics of undemocracy. This is categorically what we reject, what the people of Jammu and Kashmir has rejected. We, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, are highly educated, are highly literate, and highly competent, that they have taken this country, they have taken India above the skies. They have glorified India time and again. My dear friends, listening all over the India, my message to you is, we are fighting for the statehood rights. Can you imagine the statehood, the state, one of the princely states till the time of 2019, we were being called as the crown. Kashmir was the crown of India. They were, showing it to the whole of the world that how Kashmiri Muslims, that how Jammu Dogras, how they are together, how Kashmir is a part of India. But since 2019, everything has gone apart, everything has got divided. My dear friends across India, just listen to me and think at your places. Just imagine, just capitalize things. How the brutal government, how the central government, for some particular seats, for some particular era, has divided the people of Jammu and Kashmir, who were loving this lovely country of India on earth. We love India. We have time and again shown how Kashmiri policemen, how Kashmiri army men, how Kashmiri politicians and civilians have given up their lives for the safety and welfare of India. But Modi has shown how we people are actually, dragged to this side. And this is very unfortunate. And I appreciate whole of the Jammu people, whole of the Jammu province, Rajouri province, and Doda districts, that they have joined us together. They have joined us with the cause for the restoration of statehood under the leadership of Shri Tariq Hamid Kara Sahab and other senior most leaders. I thank you everybody here, and it's very fortunate, and we are very hopeful that Indian people who love us, they will not vote next time for this divided politics, for this illiterate and undivided politics, and they will next time, they are going to choose very polite things, they are going to choose very immediate and for the restoration of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you very much.